Today, we're going to create something new, and that too for free, a trending AI video, just like the ones that are currently going viral. And we use any AI videos generate a website. For example, take a look at the YouTube channel BHBG, which has 1.45 million subscribers. Check out the views on their videos. Many of them are in the millions. You too can create AI videos like that using a very simple and easy method. Every part of this video is very important, so don't skip any part. If you miss even one step, you might not understand the full process. I will guide you step by step on how to create trending AI videos. Let's get started. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel A Tech Creations, please subscribe and like this video. I will keep bringing you more trending AI tools, styles, and tutorials. Now let's begin. How can we create a viral AI video? Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and upload your screenshot like this one. Now just say, give me Pixar-style 3D prompts for each cute kitten image, one by one. And boom! The magic happens. The prompts are ready and they are super engaging, ultra detailed, and bursting with Pixar quality vibes. Look closely. The characters stay consistent, the backgrounds are rich, and each scene tells a powerful story. So copy the first prompt, then move to the next. Just like that, step by step, character by character. And yes, it's 100% free and so easy to do. Let's go! Step 2. Let's head over to Pixlr. First things first, copy your Pixar-style kitten prompt and paste it in. Select the ratio that fits your scene. I usually go with square or portrait. Now, click Generate. And boom! The first image is here. And just look at it. Ultra HD quality, soft lighting, cinematic fur details. It looks like it came straight out of a Pixar movie. Now don't stop. Do this for each prompt, one by one, paste the next, generate again, and boom! Each pick is even better than the last. See how the lighting changes, how the backgrounds tell a story, and how every kitten has its own unique personality. It's like building your very own animated universe. All done? Amazing. Scroll through your results. This is pure magic. I'm telling you, this is not just AI, this is art. Now that all the images are finished and looking insane, it's time to move on to the next step. Let's go! Step 3. Yes, now it's time to bring your Pixar-style images to life. We're using 2 insane free AI tools, and the quality? Unbelievable. Let's go! First tool, Digen AI. Open the website, boom! Right away, the design feels super modern, super fast. You'll see 540 free credits, or sometimes 420 depending on your account, but no worries. It's more than enough to create fire content. Now, scroll through and check out their video examples. Cinematic quality, emotional movement. These aren't just animations, these are mini-movies. Here's what to do. Click Create Upload your first Pixar-style picture paste. The prompt below choose portrait or landscape ratio based on your character. Now wait just 2-3 minutes. And boom! Your first animated video is done. Look at the character. The eyes, the movement, the depth. It's Pixar-level magic. You're not just generating content, you're creating emotion, story, personality. Now, upload your second prompt. Third, repeat the process until all your images become living videos. Save each one. Trust me, you'll want to keep these forever. Second tool, Howilo AI. Ready for another game changer? Head over to Howilo AI, another free animation tool with a twist. Here's the deal. You get 125 free credits daily, enough for 4 to 5 full HD videos without spending a rupee, no watermark, no waitlist, just pure AI power. Now, tap Video, Image to Animation. Upload your Pixar-style image. Paste the same prompt, select your style, and hit Generate. Wait just a few seconds. And yes, another banger. Smooth, clean movement. Even the fur bounces, the lighting glows, and the expression feels real. It's like the kitten is alive. You'll be saying, "Wow," on every render. Download them all. Organize them. You now have a collection of animated, story-rich, cinema-grade videos, all created with just free tools and pure creativity. Step 4. Time to give our Pixar kittens a voice. Open ChatGPT, paste all your prompts and type, "Give me a 30-second voiceover for these Pixar-style kitten videos." Hit enter. Boom! The narration script appears in seconds. Now copy that text, head to ttsmaker.com. It's 100% free. Paste the script, pick a voice you love, drop in the free use code, and click Generate. Wait a quick 2 minutes, and there it is. Crystal clear audio, perfectly synced to your story. Download the file, drag it onto your video timeline, and done. Your kittens now look and sound like a real Pixar short. Let's roll. Final step. Yes, yes, yes. Now open CapCut. It's time to put everything together like a real movie editor. First, drag and drop all your animated videos. Line them up in perfect sequence from first to last. Watch how every scene connects. This is your Pixar-style short film coming to life. Now, upload your voiceover from TTS Maker. Drag it under the timeline, match it with the video, and make it smooth. Add background music, soft, cinematic, or emotional depending on the vibe. Then, go to transitions. Add clean fade-ins, camera zooms, or even swipe effects between scenes. This makes it flow like a real animation movie. Watch again. And yes, SS, it's perfect. Zoom in, fix tiny cuts, align audio perfectly, double-check every frame. This is not just a video, this is a piece of art. Now finally, go to export settings, select 4K Ultra HD, high frame rate, max quality, and hit export. Boom! Congratulations! Your video is done. It's high quality, it's powerful, and it's made 100% with free AI tools. The characters are alive, the music is perfect, and the storytelling is on another level. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment what you want next. Thank you for watching. Now go create your own magic.